So, isa pang example para mas maintindihan yung remainder theorem. Find the remainder if 2x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 3 is divided by x plus 2. So, ito yung p of x natin. And then, ito yung ating x minus c. Okay, so, alamin muna natin si c. That is, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Equate lang natin. X is equal to magiging negative 2. Okay? So, yung shortcut lang yan, palitan mo lang yung sign niya. So, pag plus siya, ibig sabihin nun yung c natin is negative 2. Pag minus naman siya, yung c natin is positive 2. Kaya ganun lang, opposite sign lang siya dito. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung c natin. So, kunin lang natin c. Para makuha natin yung remainder, kunin lang natin si p of c or p of negative 2. Okay? Mag-evaluate lang again tayo. So, palitan lang natin itong mga x ng negative 2. So, 2 times negative 2 cube. So, x cube siya. Plus x squared. So, negative 2 squared. Minus 4x. 4 times negative 2. 4 times negative 2. So, erase muna natin to. Plus 3. Okay. Then, simplify lang natin. So, negative 2 cube, that is negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4, times negative 2, negative 8, times 2, negative 16, plus negative 2 squared, that is positive 4. Then negative 4 times negative 2, magiging positive 8, plus 3. So, then simplify pa natin. So, add muna natin itong mga positive number. 3 plus 8, that is 11, plus 4, that is 15. Minus 16, negative 1. Okay, so therefore, yung ating remainder is negative 1. Okay. Okay, ganun lang yung remainder theorem.